National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for Lake Okeechobee until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles northeast of Parkhead Ridge, moving south at 5 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Parkhead Ridge. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.